Hello world. If this is not a true 2020 energy, I don't know what is. You guys, I am coming to you straight from a typical Canadian winter. It is obviously a snowstorm behind me, and I thought today, you know what, I was going to sit down and do my winter skincare routine anyway, and I was like, there are so many of you guys that follow me from all over the world, literally all over, from the middle of the desert to the other side of the globe, upside, downside, inside out. You guys watch me from all over, and I appreciate it so much. I know that so many of you, sometimes when I vlog and I go out in the rain and I complain that it's raining, you guys are like, Trevor, we don't even get rain where I'm from. So today I am bringing you a snowstorm. We're doing my winter skincare routine, literally in the snow. This is a typical Canadian snowstorm, I would say. Everything's closed today. School is closed. Buses are off the road. So it's actually pretty quiet outside, which is a rarity around here. I actually can't believe that I am sitting outside. You know, around here, I'm all about moisturized skin, protecting that skin barrier. In the winter, your skin can be so dry because you're inside, you're outside. Your skin is freaking out. It can become peeling, irritated, acne prone, which is my arch nemesis. So for my winter skincare routine, it's all about enhancing that moisture into the skin, drawing the moisture into the skin, and then sealing it off. Okay, so before I came out on the back deck, I already had a shower. My hair is actually still a little bit wet. That's why I have this hat on. But as you guys know, I have been loving for a daily face wash, the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Cleansing Gel. Now, this of course contains their Alpha Beta formula, which helps to gently exfoliate the skin. And if you're someone out there, especially in winter, who suffers from dry skin, peeling skin, flaking skin, I know so many of us experience this in the winter time. This is a great cleanser to use because it's not only going to wash the face, but it's also going to help to gently exfoliate all of that extra dead skin. During the winter, this is a total must, but I didn't want to freeze to a literal popsicle outside, so I already did this inside. Something else that I also did, which I love, you guys know, this is one of my tried, true, and tested. This is the Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel. If you need a little extra exfoliation, I don't normally recommend those little beads or harsh sands. You guys know I love a good chemical exfoliator. This works wonderfully. So all you do is put a little bit on the skin, and as you rub it around, it actually balls up a little bit of dead skin and a little bit of the product itself. But if you need a little gentle exfoliation, the Boscia Peel Gel, amazing. Of course, I'll have all these products linked in the description box down below, but cleansing your skin and exfoliating, especially during the winter, can really help to reveal smoother skin, brighter skin, softer skin, and really get rid of all of that dead, dry debris. Ooh, I hate it. Okay, so I have to take my gloves off for these next steps because my skin, you guys, is crying for a little protection. So for today's toner, I'm going to be using my infamous rice toner from I'm From. Now this contains almost 80% rice ferments. What that's going to do is brighten the skin as well as exfoliate the skin very gently. So if you're someone, again, who has dry skin, really dry, dead skin, using something like rice ferments can help to gently exfoliate the skin. Now I love this one. It is so hydrating. It is perfect for the winter time. This is actually my third bottle of this toner. I just love how hydrating it is. Why am I doing this outside in the winter? My skin is literally freezing. Oh, anything for you guys. But I love this toner because it just hydrates the skin as well as leaves it feeling so soft. I cannot. If any of you guys have used this before, let me know in the comments down below. Now, of course, toners are fabulous at resetting your skin's pH balance, but they've come so much further than just doing that. Like this toner can do, they can not only reset your pH balance, but they can also help to brighten the skin, smooth the skin texture, and really target any skin concerns as a first treatment layer that's just going to give your serums and moisturizers a boost. They are fantastic. I love them. I know some people are on the fence about toners. Do you need them? Do you not need them? In my opinion, I have seen amazing benefits from using a toner. I always recommend one. Oh, you guys, I can't believe we are doing this today. If you live somewhere who either experiences a lot of snow or experiences none at all, please let me know in the comments down below. Now, next up, I'm going to layer on one of my favorite serums. This is Acaderma's The Oasis Barrier Booster. This is one of the lightest weight texture serums I have ever felt. It goes on so smooth and it deeply hydrates the skin. It contains their CHA EX formula, which really helps to nourish the skin, making your skin literally feel like butter. What I love most about this serum is it applies so easily, and with just one pump, it covers your entire face. You guys know that is one of my trademarks of a good product. I only like to use one pump. I think that that should be enough to go over the whole skin. Of course, skincare is a long-term game. There's no short-term fixes, so a little bit goes a long way over compound results. So with one pump, as you can see, my skin is already looking more flawless and more hydrated. It also contains beta-glucan and vitamin B5. Honestly, you guys, this is one of the best serums I have ever used. I'm just obsessed. I definitely will be repurchasing this. I also have their Starlight Spot Corrector, which works at decreasing dark spots. Also fabulous, totally recommend. Okay, so next up we obviously need to add a moisturizer onto the skin to protect the skin, to really create that protective barrier against the harsh dryness of winter. Now I'm actually going to be using a cream that I've never used before. I got sent this in PR and I put it away for winter because it just looked so moisturizing and so intense. This is the Dr. Derma Solution Barrier Derm Intensive Cream. Now this says that it straight up creates a barrier over the skin, protecting any water loss and then sealing everything into the skin. So I thought this would be perfect for winter. Let's layer this on the skin because my skin is like, Trevor, what's going on? It says that this is a high moisturizing cream that helps tired skin take a rest. This moisturizing cream helps extremely dry and sensitive skin to be the most strong ever. All right, I'm here for it. Now, because I am literally torturing my skin by sitting outside, I am going to use a very generous amount of this cream because I need some extra protection. Let's see. No scent at all. It is a very thick formula, which is something that I would have expected for a high moisturizing cream. Oh, it's so cold out, Trevor. What are you doing? You can literally see my breath. All right, so do you guys have any great memories of winter? Did you ever... This is really smooth. This application is going on like melted butter. Do you guys have any favorite memories from winter, like sledding with your brothers, your sisters? I'm an only child, so most of my memories are sledding with friends, but all winter long, sledding was one of my favorite things, and building snow forts. They were two of my favorite things, although I feel like they're both really dangerous now. Are they dangerous or am I just getting old? Okay, on first impression of this moisturizer, I'm really loving it. Why didn't I use this sooner? Oh my gosh. You guys, Dr. Derma Solution Barrier Intensive Cream. Hello, did I just find like a new favorite moisturizer? Wow. All right, you guys, I am impressed with my skincare routine today. What do you guys think about my winter skincare routine? I can't believe that I literally did this outside. If you have any favorite winter skincare products, please let me know in the comments down below. My skin is without a doubt protected and ready to go build a snowman. If you guys like today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I need to get inside because I literally cannot feel my feet. I love and appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around until the very end. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Okay, you guys, I don't know if I'm gonna make it down these steps, but I'm gonna take you on a little tour of snowy Canada. Now, I live on the East Coast. We will get right back to the skincare routine in a moment, but I know so many of you are curious about the snow. Now, I live on the East Coast of Canada, so just a hop, skip, and a jump right from Europe, actually. And I would say this is a typical Canadian snowstorm. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever heard this before, but small snow means that a lot of snow is going to accumulate. Small snowflakes, big snow. And big snowflakes just equals a little bit of snow on the ground. Now, the snowflakes this morning have been very small, and we're supposed to get 20 to 30 centimeters. This is the perfect kind of snow to make a snowman. It sticks into a snowball. Like, look at that. Oh, that would hurt if you could hit, but how fun would that be? Snowballs, snowmans. If you guys get to experience snow, it's actually very lucky.